Alright, so I was going to take a minute to go over some of the new stuff. So I set up Sprint today, and then I also made it so that if you call a punch while you're pressing a direction, the actor will whip that direction and then punch. So if you hold left and hit punch, he's going to punch left, even if you're facing right when you started. So this is good for fighting mobs and stuff. And in order to do that, I had to split up setting the offset for your rotation and applying it. So now punch applies the last rotation that was saved. So yeah, it makes it a little easier to quickly pick a direction and hit. Makes the controls tighter, you would say. So I can walk up to this, face the other direction, and go, Hwah! So that's what's been added. And the code's totally been restructured since the BGMC. I split up animation, movements, and rotations. So the sub states call those, so I don't have so much code that's repeated. It's all a lot drier. I just call animate, and that's a generic Python function, and then rotate, which is a generic Python function, and then set offset, which sets where the rotate command points, so that you can update it and not have to change it, unless you're changing it. See right here, we have move, and the direction that you're going to head, and how fast. And then we have set the rotation to apply, and then we have apply the rotation, and then we have what animation to play, and that's a micro state, like a simplified state. But you can call these pieces all directly inside of the states, and then the states themselves can be set by other actors. So I could add a state here that says hurt, and then if you pop hurt in an extra, it'll call that, and then you can animate it using one of this generic act, and all that kind of stuff. So it makes it kind of flexible, and then also it makes it so that I can just edit one snippet and edit it in 60 places instead of having to go through and change everything by hand. So all that was done, and the controls are a lot tighter than the BGMC entry, and then also the sensor makes it a lot easier to make sure you hit. So instead of array, where it's just a narrow channel, you actually have a wide box collider. So the controls are pretty tight, and I look forward to doing mobs after I finish combos, but we're waiting on some animations. Thanks for watching.